Bluff Lake Nature Center's mission is to share their unique urban natural area and inspire environmental connectedness and stewardship through experiential education, environmental engagement, and natural area preservation and restoration.
Bluff Lake Nature Center occupies 123 acres adjacent to Sand Creek and is surrounded by Stapleton, Montbello, and Northwest Aurora. It offers a variety of native habitats that are open and free to the public every day of the year.
Bluff Lake Nature Center's purpose is dual: native habitat management and environmental education. Through the work of its staff and volunteers, Bluff Lake Nature Center has provided a valuable resource to the surrounding community as a wildlife refuge and outdoor classroom.
We were charged with 3 goals.
Number 1.
Provide Bluff Lake Nature Center with a formal written process to request and evaluate public input for proposed projects.
Number 2.
Provide a way for the communities surrounding Bluff Lake Nature Center to have a publicly defined procedure for providing feedback on project proposals.
Number 3.
Evaluate these procedures by piloting the protocol using current 2017 project plans.